Hi, good morning, and thank you and coming again to BoredIn Live Space. Very happy today. We have two amazing guests. Also, they are building amazing too. I think it definitely amazing. The tools keep building for the community, and also so everybody can use. It's very excited to have them both builder. But before we start, we pass the mic to one by one. Let everyone to introduce who they are and what they do, and have a quick intro. So first, I want to pass the mic to Arrow.
Yes, hello. Thank you for having me. I'm the founder of Board Closet, and also I'm a full stack developer, also helping with Wider's dashboard side of things. So it's kind of perfect we're all together here today. And yeah, thank you for having me.
Very excited to have you. Yeah, and the second, I will pass the mic to Vida.
Hi, Poppy. Hi, NFT Order. Thank you for having me, and great to see Alo here with me. He's also the dev for Dashboard, so he's just being very modest.
Awesome. And then, yeah, I would like to pass the mic to Jason. Even Jason introduced himself many times, I still like to have his own spot again.
Thanks, Papo. Yeah, nice to be back and such legends with us today, and look forward to digging in.
And will you want to share what's going on with your shirt?
Yeah, I got a new fit. It just came in the mail, so I thought I'd try on. And look, for those who haven't seen it, the collab hat, right, with House OG. So this is the hat that some of those supporters who bought the package and are coming to Board Brunch are going to receive. So look forward to handing it out. It's embroidered. It's got the dual kind of logos on the side, and we've got a lot of other surprises, I think, for those coming to Board Brunch or the Creator House. So, look forward to sharing more there.
Awesome. So, and yeah, I can't wait to share a little bit more. But first, let's go with our community news. I'm very happy to have two guests in here. So first thing, it's quite excited, and I don't know everyone's done already. It's AFAS have an app, and I was very excited for them because as a UN, I mean, when we doing the UN, it's always good with your phone. Having an app is much more easier, and I'm hoping like they will in the future they will drop more things with the app, and that just keep us updated as always. And if you want to check out what's going on with the UN right away, you actually can direct to go to the AFAS website. So if you see on the box, like check boxes there, so have like chat UN. Once you click, you will see on the right side, so there's the page about talking what's going on with the each event and what time. Some tickets are probably really sold off, and probably you want to catch up your feet very fast right now. And that's the second things I want to bring up about something very exciting happening in the community. It's just some new account just a public about top traders, and I don't know anyone's just try to research or understand what's going on a little bit. But I'm still getting formal from Spicy Tinas and how excited you and they're hosting, and definitely is launching some exciting things that's going on with the Acons and A-Chains and with the whole Yuga team, and no matter what they're doing, I just excited. And do you guys just like have a pay attention to what's going on? Like Jason, do you have see that? Do you have?
Yeah, I mean, I think just FOMO from the Asian events and kind of like the release here. Interested to try it myself. I think I'm not a leverage trader, but I think it's cool and kind of fun to just dabble and play with these different things. And I'm not a gamer either, but I'm enjoying Dookie Dash. So I think lots of things kind of coming out in the Ape chain. I think we're gonna see just a ton of these new products, and excited to try them. I'm sure like some of them will hit, some of them won't, but just excitement in the community, being excited for these different things. I think that in itself is, you can feel the kind of electricity and vibe from the community on the timeline. So that's awesome.
I'm actually putting like the design, the whole. Go back to the poster. It's just like a office, right? Sorry. So there's also having a one MBA brands, and now it's getting always is in your timeline. So it's a one it's a water. There's like they have like a new collection drop. I have introduced in here last week, but also want to introduce like I'm actually like just having fun to doing some dress up for them and just having fun. If you do like the dress up, just DM me. I can just help you get one and just getting some latest wears and always great. I don't know. Everyone's start to paying the playing the game and know the Doki Dash, and I was keep failing. I'm never the big gamer, but I'm very excited for this game. One thing I should do catch my eye, it's about the Boy Brewer Corporation, the the beer. It's just like finally delivered to everyone's hand, and so you can enjoy an NBA product, but at the same time you're paying doggy dust. I think that's just the best moments you ever have it. And also I'm feeling so formal for those products. I'm feeling formal from you too, Jason. So I still want the shoes, by the way. The shoes are so funky. But I do like the blue jacket. Sorry, but this is jacket or blue shirt. And some of the things, but this is two men for me. So I'm very excited to see what's going on with the physicals, the officials March, maybe have a more option for female. I'm very excited. The next thing I want to update, we will be launch soon. Actually, this is the new poster, a new image about our BoredIn Creators House, and we have a couple of things, updates are going on. Probably we'll try to update this week once everything's more confirmed. So there's have like calendar's timeline. We actually have a more clear schedule. So basically now we're all booking full. Everyone can see the time. So if you really see on each day from Tuesday to from Thursday to Sunday, there's all day we actually have a lunch up events going on. Very excited for that, but also I know none of them without our team's hard work. Thanks again for the BoredIn's whole team, not just me and Jason, so everyone, so it's including Mutable, our partnership as well. And I'm very excited for each event. Jason, will you want to share something on that? So do you want to share some update or?
Yeah, I mean, just taking a look at this, what was it, 5 months ago? We had an idea, and Thank Ape came through and helped us make it happen. After we kind of put ourselves out there and booked it and started to work with the community to populate the calendar, and now I'm a lot more work to be done, right? But just looking at the community showing up here, and I actually just realized we're missing like one or two more events here.
Oh no,
but
no, enough.
Yeah, we're missing Grateful's podcasts, which will be added here. But I mean, look, we wanted to populate diverse events for the community to show up and interact and network and take advantage of everyone being in Lisbon, and just really happy to see it happen. And we're working hard every day, right? Every day to figure it out. Rented AV equipment today. Secured some furniture rentals. We're diving into the branding and decorations. We're diving into the menus with Culinary Crypto. Shout out to Mad Hatter, really kind of being the production kind of PM, and driving a lot of these things. We've hired local people. We've hired people from the community. People from the community are pitching in, right? DJs, photographers, videographers. So just everyone's showing up to make this happen. It's really the community's creator house, right? And I think now we just have to execute. So appreciate everybody and hope everyone comes and checks it out. Unfortunately, a lot of the events are sold out. There's still some event tickets coming soon. Pizza Festa with the Pizza DAO and Applied Primates. but we are sold out of the board brunch, House OG, welcome apes and laughing apes. I know Aloe, your board closet event is sold out. That thing's sold out so quick. And yeah, we're looking hard at like what's the right thing to do here. Maybe there's a couple tickets, in the background we can squeeze in there for some of these events, trying to accommodate people. But yeah, it's definitely tough, right? The venue itself holds 200 people, but look, if you can't make a programmed event, please come check it out off program, right? And come hang out. If you want to catch up and talk through things with me, like hopefully in between these events, I get to meet a ton of you guys. So looking forward to it.
Awesome. Just one thing we have a time schedule fixes actually for the board calls, the events like it's from 10 to 1 a.m. So we're still confirming some of the final time. So yeah, keep the eyeballs for what we're going to update. And there's a half fight. Now we have other event was just the ticket just launched is on the Ladies of BYC's account. So if you are interested to join our Ladies Sunday Bunch, there's also have access to open to Wow Woman because we collaboration with Wow Woman. We also open access to the orders Yuga's umbrellas as a collection as well. So if you home any ecosystem inside the Yugas, if you also want to join the Sunday's Lady Bunch, and there's a welcome. We also very inclusive, but our tickets are very limited. So yeah, please join us. And just also want to congratulation. There's a Make by Ace bar choice is coming on. I think it's in the former market. So few of us, it's also in there. So it's a very congratulations. And also not just that, as the most NBA brand we're just very close relation with, and I feel like just look like a whole family displaying. That's just how excited. And then we go moving forward to today's guest topic. And first we have a leaders, and I would like to let him to introduce himself and also talk about what he doing, working on the new tools, and also talk about his AIP. And so today is very excited to having him, but also just want to give him a flower. This dude is just learns up putting content. So it's almost every day. I don't know how he do it, even just for promoting his AIP for 9A. And you can see how many content he was putting. It's just so fun. Each content having animation and including all these moments. And you're definitely just like not looking him creating content. You're also looking him what is his creative journey is going on and how to go. And I think that's so exciting for him. So I would like to pass the mic to him, but at the same time, I think he would like to share a screen with you guys. And yeah, so leaders, the mic is yours.
I think I'm gonna always use your introduction. To me, it's always better than what I can say about myself. So so I'm just going to retweet what she said, and that's the intro to me.
Okay.
But yeah, we have our AIP up for vote, and it's for Dashbow, which is our user-generated content platform, which you see on the screen. And I love being on here because I can actually demo the platform, because usually on the spaces I've been doing all this week, I'm trying to explain things just by talking about it, and it doesn't do it justice. So thank you for having me, both of you. Always very supportive. So yes, my screen is being shared. So basically, the platform checks for your wallet what you own. I wish I owned all these apes, but this is the one I own. So for example, I choose my ape. And it's loading and loading and loading. Yeah. So first you come in here and you get to inspect your 3D model. You get to check your 3D model, all okay, you like it, and you get into the real content creation, where you get your ape, and let's say we can make him dance. We can make him do different animations that we can share to our socials. We have different animations popped in here. You can choose which angle you want to use. So let's say we like this flip. We can change the angle of the camera, and we can rotate him and do all that. Then you can change the shader to give him like a toon shader instead of a realistic look. It's the same toon shader being used on Dookie Dash. So this is how your ape would look on Dookie Dash. We can add some more effects.
I love that.
And you can every day create different content like the stuff you see that we create. And then also you can change, you can, let's say, put them facing forward and then change and do the different expressions. You can do mouth traits. Yeah, and then you can add, let's say, we can change environments. The cool one is this green screen where you can create content on a chroma. So you can take them and use these animations to use on your website or on different video editing programs. And we have different types of environment, and we'll be adding more soon. Or you can use trait backgrounds, especially if you have an orange background and you want to change it to a better color like an aquamarine. You can do that, and you can create your different animations on these uh, different animations on these environments. Yeah, and the same applies for regular poses. You can create normal poses, still poses. You can create greetings. Let's say you want to create a GM today to share on your socials. And all that. And then we get to the MBA part with all the MBA brands we've been adding. You compose your ape with the different brands. Let's say we want to do 288, some of our favorite. You get to pose them with your bottle or your ape water. And you can share all these different poses with your ape water. And we have so many different brands on here. You can have foods. I know some people in this chat like some of these food. Let's say board snacks cookies. We made some poses.
Oh,
Let's
that's
say
cool.
board Cuban has a different
Oh,
pose.
that is awesome. I love it. The box is so cute. I
Friends
love the
chocolate.
box. Yeah.
We have so many grateful chocolate. And
I
we
think
have
it's a
other.
smart way to engage all the MBA brand and just like making more imagines, like basically, oh, that's so cool.
Yeah, we have so many. We have 100 plus MBA brands incorporated. Some that have physicals like this. You can create different stuff. Fresh as Kicks has a cool bag.
Awesome.
And I can change again the expression to whichever part I like. So let's say we want to do this and maybe do, we try, since my colleague and favorite dev is on here as well, we'll go to the board closet and do a pose with board closet.
That's so cool.
And the cool thing about it is on the bottom there's the license number, the website for the MBA, for the MBA brand, the logo, and the name. And then we go. We have another cool feature. It's the merch tryout, where you get to pose your ape or your avatar with your favorite Yuga merch. We have almost all the Yuga merch from the first launch, till hopefully we get to see the new drop. We will be modeling that. So you get your naked ape. He's a bit shy and cold. So the last drop we saw here was the leaked images of the ape chain t-shirt. Before that, let's put on a Hong Kong t-shirt and give him some pants, or actually shorts, and give him some socks, or let's give him some Bape sneakers. And then you can make him animate with that on, and you can share those to your socials. I know you're gonna like this, Poppy. We have the same thing for the MBA brands. And you can test out the different brands. We have some board t-shirts.
Awesome. I
So
need that. I should wear that today. Awesome.
So you can check them out. You can check them out here. And then you can pose and make them dance and all that. But the cool thing is we have a small preview. You can preview the 3D model of the MBA. In 3D format. Then you can have the details here, and then a link. Once you click, it goes to the website of the product, so you can buy it and purchase it there. Yeah.
Awesome. I love the way how it's come out. I can't wait to see. And yeah, I definitely want to invite both of you to see how we can also collaboration something with the Creators House, because we have a ton of the material and content we actually never public, but do love to show to you guys too. And I'm very excited, and that maybe we can have something to show on screen too, right? What do you think, Jason?
Yeah, I mean, every time, not the first time seeing this, but I think every time I see it, it just blows my mind. So love this platform and kind of empowering the IP and branding, and it's the AIP. I hope that it passes, because empowering the community to just have all this content to go on social media, it's the way, right? It's how we extend the IP out. So love it.
Thank you so much. One last thing that we're testing right now, we're going to test it here first. So this is something we're testing, where you get to create small scenes, just very little patience, and it will load. So let's say this is my ape. I'm going to load the small scene that's already pre-rendered.
I remember the first time you come here to show to this two, there was like a couple months ago. There was just only a 1 or 2 minute image.
Yeah, so if I go back and change the ape, the scene will be changed. But the same thing, the same scene, but with a different ape. So it's to create different content, and we'll be adding more content to this as we go along.
Awesome.
I
So
mean, it feels like your team, like how big is your team? Because the speed in which you guys are adding content and we're seeing this kind of build in public.
We are a 20-person team, but I have the best team that I can possibly have, and they put in long hours like I do. But if it wasn't for them, we wouldn't be here.
Yeah, it's amazing. I mean, hats off to your team. Hats off to you. It's just, I mean, number one, like the dashboard itself is so impressive, but like the speed in which you guys are building and developing. You know, to Papo's point, like the first time you came out, I think there was like maybe 6 or 7 MBAs, and now
yeah,
you know you guys are over 100. And I know you're also in the background, like reaching out and having these conversations with these people. So like it's no small feat of like how much time it must have taken, and then for you guys to actually develop the assets and put it in the dashboard, like it's just awesome how fast
Thank you so
you
much.
guys build.
We add, I think, about 10 to 14 MBAs per week, where we model all their products. Uh, some we don't even haven't even contacted yet. We can't reach out to them, but we've still gone through their website and modeled everything, and hopefully they will be okay with it. I think everybody would like to have their products on here, but as soon as the AIP passes, we will be reaching out officially to let them know that they have their products on here. And in case they don't want, we don't usually we will remove them. But if uh, we've been doing this free of charge for everyone, for the community, because it adds value to everybody. It adds value to the community, it adds value to our platform, and it adds value to their brands and their IP.
Yeah, I mean, I think I'm obviously an IP maxi, MBA maxi. I think, look, whoever has ApeCoin out there, if you haven't seen it, just play this back, take a look at the AIP. I think there's something to be said about people who go and build it and then show us what's possible, and then go and ask the community to support them, right? And look, it's up to everybody, right? I'm not going to tell you how to vote, but at least take a moment and take a look at how much work has gone into it, and participate, right? Participate if you like it. It's not that hard to go and log in and vote. So definitely encourage people to do that. I look forward to the dashboard for my brands. I look forward to the dashboard to help with Board Trading Co. and getting content for other MBAs out there as well. Um, Obviously, I'm biased, right? Um, you
Sam.
know, but yeah, I mean, look, all the support, and I hope that it's not an easy process, right? And I think for you guys and how much you guys put out there, like I have all the hope that it passes, because you guys have already done the work.
Yes, and doing all these MBA brands has just made me realize, and it's made us work even harder, as how many people have been building stuff, have been building cool stuff. I didn't know half of it since I started this process. I mean, I've been going through a Google sheet that I found online. Uh, Thank you to whoever made that. It's called MBA Board Directory, and I've been trying to reach out to everyone, but the amount of people that are building cool stuff is amazing. That is in the community, so it just makes us build harder. But going back to your point, because you're biased to Dashbo, you can't tell people how to vote. But I'm biased. I am very neutral and objective. Please go vote, because we really want to ship this out to the community, and we really put a lot of work and effort into it, both me and Alo and the rest of the team. So please go vote and support us on this.
Absolutely.
Let me try to share the screen about the AIP. So this is the AIP. Remember the number is AIP 498. So if you don't remember, just look at the name, and then more you need to do, just click it on, and then you will see what exactly the whole proposal. And if you read more, and you can actually see the whole teams about what they're looking for, and also introduce, and also what they're promising, and what to expect, and what's the goal they want to reaching. So it's quite interesting to see what they are really developing, and at the same time, like, you can understand the whole teams and what the developments they expect for building for the next couple months. And yeah, you can do see there's a ton of the MBA brand we all support.
Yeah,
My is also here too.
Sorry. Since you're on that screen, it's funny how that was from a month ago.
This
That
one?
screen with the MBA brands, that
Oh,
was
okay.
from a month ago, and
You
now
can
we are.
you can
we
actually
are over.
exchange. Yeah, you can actually
What I'm
exchange.
saying is we're over 100 of those
Yeah.
brands. Yeah.
So I would
that's
highly
the.
recommend maybe you want to change this page and contact with
No,
the
but what I'm saying is the amount of brands we've added since a month ago.
Yeah,
It's
totally
even
understand.
even what's showing here, like there's so many more. And I mean, correct me if I'm wrong, Ryder, is like this is a proof of concept with the apes. I you know, and correct me if I'm wrong, hopefully I'm not misspeaking, like the infrastructure, the capability, you know, you're building this out for the potential to expand to other communities too, right?
It will be available to all communities that would like to join, that have 3D avatars. And if they don't have 3D avatars, we can either assist them into making them or pointing them in direction how to make them and all that. But from day one, when we launch, if this passes, it will be available to apes and to Meebits, because those have 3D assets available already. But yes, it's for many other communities. Hopefully, everybody will join, and we'll use ApeCoin to create extra content for it.
Awesome.
And it will be everybody will be onboarded to ApeChain and the ApeCoin ecosystem.
And also, it's funny to see, like, there's a couple there's usually on the voting process, there's not many people want to be sent out, or not many people pay attention. But if you do see who's voting for you, there's a couple very OG's committee member, or some of the even the IC and CPP man is voting. And once again, I think that's as well deserved to support. And I really vote for you, and I'm hoping you will receive more power from the committee. And thank you for such a hard work. And yeah, I'm really looking for build together, and I'm just excited.
Thank you for voting, and thank you for everyone that voted, and thank you for the Mochaverse community for voting, and the Apes Plus community for voting. Everybody that voted, thank you very much. I really, we really appreciate it, and we are very thankful. And thank you for all your support.
So, what will be the next step? That's my final question before I pass the mic to Arrow.
The next step is hopefully people vote yes, so we can ship this out as soon as possible.
How so?
You want to know what the step after that is? Vote yes, please. Vote yes, please.
Finger crossed, and yes.
Vote yes, and then vote yes again.
Just in case you didn't vote yes, vote again and vote yes.
Yes.
Let's do it.
Wish you all the best. I know it's quite stressful to need to pass for 6.9%, and it's very difficult to reach and go. But I am very confident you will pass, because you just read the set of hours. But keep pushing. It's always, you don't know what's going on at the last moment. But I'm very confident you will pass, I guess.
Thank you so much. Thank you for having me, and I'm very sorry if I'm allowed to step down, because it's getting a bit late here in Dubai.
Okay, I'm going to miss you.
Okay. I need my beauty sleep, so I can be up early creating more stuff.
No problem.
Appreciate you
guys. Thank you, and thank you, Alo, and good luck, Alo.
Yeah, I would like to reschedule with you soon, and let's connect together and see what we can display on our creators house too. Yeah. So now I would like to. Yeah. Thank you, Wida. Bye bye. Now I would like to pass the mic to Arrows, and so now we can talk about reader's pet, right? Seems he's gone, but yeah, I would like to pass the mic to you and let you to introduce about yourself and your team, and also I see that so cute plushes was in there, and I do want you to introduce a little bit more detail. We actually have a quite we actually introduced about your plush 2 weeks ago when Chris in here. We have a share about the working process, how to production, but I do want to listen about a little bit from your ankle, how you're developing the tool and how many people inside your team, and also it's like why is it come out with the idea for the dress ups and what you're looking for the next products.
Yes, hello. Yeah, for everyone that missed the start of it, so I'm the founder of Board Closet, and yeah, we are having a cool platform, a cool tool that is making apes feel different. We have a lot of cool customization options. You can apply backgrounds, overlays, clothing, everything. But like we saw the perfect example with Ryder's platform. He does the 3D side. I'm doing the 2D side, and yeah, I think it's amazing to see now as well that we have both like matching ourselves with like 2D and 3D. And yeah, more going into.
This is the new one, right? This is the
Yeah, this is
latest
the new one. We just uploaded it yesterday evening.
Awesome.
And yeah, I must say, like, I'm incredibly proud of like my team. Maybe I go talk a bit about my artists, like who are behind all this amazing artwork. So I have 2 artists, TJ and Fritz, who are really helpful with making all the art, and it's been amazing. They're working non-stop essentially for me because there's always something we pushing out. And yeah, it's we have I think over 100 creations now on the platform, and it's still growing. It never ends.
When I remember when you start to having your brand was like just a beginning, just have a couple dress up, focus on a couple MBA brand, but now it's a very focus on the whole chain. Sorry. And also, I'm really excited to see you actually developing the real product. Is it that will be going to the AFAS, right? And I also think like it's such a smart you also selling online so people can pick up on AFAS, and it's such exciting.
Yes, so yeah, the plushies are one of the products I was developing together with Clay Rich from Club Mars. He's amazing guy I met long time ago, like not real life, but like I just found him on Twitter because I was looking where to get a plushie made, and I didn't know where, and I was like, oh my god, this guy makes them, and I was like, oh my god, we need to do something. And yeah, after a couple of months, he made like a prototype, and we got to work on producing 350 of my plushies. Like there's very limited edition. I'm not sure if I gonna do more in the future. Maybe another ape, not mine. So maybe a mutant or another ape that I buy maybe in the future. I don't know yet. But yeah, this amazing plushies are like for pickup at ApeFest, so you can order them online in our store. Maybe let me share the screen where we have the store, so we have them. So yeah, that's like the store page essentially, which is where you can order the plushies, and yeah, some amazing pictures. They are 20 centimeters high, so it's like a small cute plushie that you can get. And yeah, Ryder also made like a 3D model of it. Super cool. And yeah, the cool thing about the plushies is they have an NFC chip on the bottom. Like if you hold your phone against the bottom of the plush, you can mint an NFT on ApeChain, and with that NFT you can unlock exclusive overlays and content on Board Closet. So yeah, you get. I can maybe let me sneak peek what we have made, what my artist made for this one. I can share it in here. So it's like a really cool, cute drawing of the plushie. Let me see if I find it. So it's
That's
like
awesome.
So it's like holding the plushie in the hand, and yeah, everyone that
Oh,
purchases
look
the
at
plushie,
that! My
Yeah.
heart's melting. Oh no way! I need that. Oh, now
I
you're
feel
actually
like
making.
Papa
Me buy.
loves plushies.
yeah, and this is
No.
the other one with
Did.
on
Actually,
the
I
shoulder.
did. Oh, that's so cute. My goodness, stop sewing me. That's too cute. Why you been gatekeeping?
Yeah, and everyone who can unlock this if you have the plushie, right? So it's really cool exclusive content. And yeah, there's like a lot of more. We want to push more art on having unlocked. That's like only the two that we have made so far. I mean, it's very difficult, especially because ApeChain hasn't launched yet with the mainnet. And ApeFest is coming up, and I'm like, here I need to develop all the tech still for the plushies, right? To mint the NFT and all that. So yeah, it's gonna be very cool to have it in everyone's hands. Very proud of it.
Okay, now
actually.
I need it.
Yeah.
I need it. Yeah, I was talk to Craig about how you make the plushie, and we actually two weeks ago, a few weeks ago, we was interview Craig. We seeing the process, just excited to seeing how the IP develop, and also like, can you show me couple about your favorite dress ups? Like, I know that you've been developed more than 100. Is there any couple dress up you actually is your most favorite one or most popular one?
Oh yeah, so that's like a whole thing actually. So I'm really like a banana fan. So for me, my favorite one is the banana. We have a lot of banana stuff. So we have a banana background, banana shake. With BoredIn merch together, we made like the banana shirt and yeah, like a lot of banana. But like that's the original. Like that's one of the first ones we made. And yeah, it's still my favorite today. And the fun thing is also that we recently made is like you can, if you type in your ape ID, so for example mine, changes all, right? And you can edit them all together like you want. So I can put the banana background on it. I can put the banana hand on it. Where is it? There's the banana hand, and maybe let's put the new ape chain tag on it. Oh wait, that's removing that thing.
So for me to understand, soon as A-Chain finish developments, you will be launching again with everything will be moving to the chain and we'll be launching an A-Chain.
Yeah, I hope so. So that's another thing I haven't really went into, like making an AIP or applying for the Banana Bill program, because first we got accepted in the BBAC program from ThankApe, and we are very thankful for like receiving this big grant, especially because it really helped us to push more content out. Because everything, we don't ask for money, it's all free, and yeah, it's one of the amazing things to offer free content for the club. But yeah, in the future, I want to change that. I want to have ApeChain integrated, ApeCoin, especially buying content. So it's like more like a marketplace where you can, let's say, if you go on the main site and want something unlocked, right? Like you want the ape tag, and it costs maybe 2 ApeCoin, and then you can purchase that for ApeCoin. So that's like how I imagine the future. And but yeah, it's still far away from there, because it requires a lot of work, funding, and I want to build out the platform more than just what it is today. So there's like a lot of plans that I want to expand into.
I do see the eye cover from Mockworth. Are you also planning in the future you have a more IP developments going on, or you only still focus on Ape?
Yeah, that's actually a fun thing. So I made the Mocha mask. We uploaded it here because I'm also I love the Mocha community. And it's actually one of the next communities that I'm gonna add to Board Closet. So the whole Mocha community can also use it and apply backgrounds and so on their Mochas. It's the probably coming out after ApeFest. So I have no time for that yet. But yeah, it's very exciting to have more communities than just apes on it as well.
Awesome. So now, which one is actually post-focus for AFAS? I remember you've been developed a couple of the different dress up. Is there any, maybe you can introduce us as a post-focus for AFAS?
Yeah, I did we have one for Ape Fest. It's like the pre-order bundle you would have gotten with the camera, the Ape Fest shirt. So that's one what we did for Ape Fest. I asked for permission to use it. I'm not sure. I got a sure yes, but yeah, it's I would say it's very difficult for getting approval from especially using the logos and stuff like that. We would have loved to do the Babe drop, for example, but yeah, there wasn't possible to do right because the licensing, the logos, usage, very difficult, I would say. Also with a lot of made by apes products reaching out. Wider has the same issue. You don't hear back from all of them. And yeah,
I'm sorry, I'm very bad. I'm very busy. I know you're wishing me to, so I want the public to say sorry to you.
Yeah. No, I mean,
but
it's fine.
Yeah,
because
we do want to. Yeah, we do want to at least try how the community understand a little bit more the way how you're reaching, and also how can be the positive. Make a sample if it's I am the new MBA brand and I do want to be part with the dress ups, and usually how to reaching you or how use that process work. Would you like to introduce to deposit to us?
Yeah, I mean that would be cool because I'll share the next future as well. So everyone can reach out to us to get something onto Bot Closet. And another thing is also we have if you connect your wallet, you don't need to connect your wallet, but if you connect your wallet, you make a profile, and with your profile you can actually upload on your own, so without us doing anything. So you can share. You just need to be sure it's the specific size with the size of the thing, and it's transparent for a background overlay, etc. So and then you can just upload it, and it's there, and we approve it, and then it's on Bot Closet. So if you are made by a product or anyone like an artist, a creator, project, can just upload and share their content on as well.
Awesome. Jason, do you have
we're gonna need to get a BoredIn Creator House one for Ape Fest.
Oh yeah, for sure.
Yeah.
I mean, there's a lot of. I think let's for sure do one. I think that's very good.
Yeah, I think to kind of tie it back a little bit too is Board Closet's throwing the event Thursday nights. You guys sold out, but I also think something cool you did was you pushed out to the people that got tickets, right? A little promo for the plushie.
Yes, yeah. So that was a great thing. So yeah, event exactly. Yeah, coming up on Thursday night, 10 p.m. to 1 p.m. I think yeah, tickets sold out. We have 288 tickets now sold out, especially because there's now people reaching out to us and that have missed out. Yeah, it's hard to have.
I know that life, Alo. There's I'm getting a lot of DMs.
Yeah, it's not easy to say, oh, you can't come, right? But at the same time you try your best. But it is what it is. We gave enough notice, and there was enough chance to get a ticket.
Yeah, I would just say if someone did get a ticket and for whatever reason they're not coming, just please consider canceling some. It depends on the event, right? It depends on the event and what's enabled in token proof. But if you're not going, try to cancel through token proof. If that doesn't work, reach out, right? In that way, another ape can hopefully attend, right?
Yeah, I'm also just share the broadcast's address in here. So if anyone also interested to take a look what they're doing and also try to understand about how to get a last minute ticket. I don't know, it's already sold out, but yeah, it's a feel free to reaching. So make sure that's the address don't come to BoredIn, go direct to them. So BoredIn all tickets are out full. Yeah.
Yeah, and yeah, we have dropped like a 10% discount code to like the tickets that come to our event for the plushies. So that helped a lot. I think we got a couple sales of that, and I'm very glad that so many are interested in the plushies, and I can't wait to actually hand over everyone at Ape Fest plushies. It's gonna be amazing.
Are you planning to display the plushie on the bodega? But are you
Yes.
planning to display some of the plushie in the creator's house as well?
Yes. So we have the bodega and the MBA market, right?
I need the trophy about like having the small one on my shoulder, so I can dress up my Ape at the same time have a small one. That'll be great. Yeah, and any like next step development you're planning? That you're also looking for maybe the AIP or any future? Maybe you're looking for help, or maybe any goal you want to reaching. Want to share with us?
Yeah, next step for us is definitely, I would say, AIP, maybe banana bill. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do, either one. And yeah, expanding the platform. I have great ideas that I want to build as well. Just not just more than just what we have now in offering. One of the things I want to talk about is having a marketplace for artists where they can essentially, you can hire them for doing custom work for your ape, and you pay them ApeCoin, or for example. Then they produce a derivative artwork for your ape, and that's essentially like hiring someone on Fiverr, we would say, right? So essentially, just for Web3 and for like the communities, and that's open for everyone. So it's not only going to be centered onto apes. And there are a couple ideas I have floating in my head that I want to build out. But yeah, we'll see how it goes when I do an AIP. But now I focus together with Ryder on his. I think that's more important. I wouldn't have did another AIP while his is running. It wouldn't have made sense. And I gonna wait till his is done, and I helped him with completely developing out this platform dashboard. And then I will see how I go with Board Closet.
Awesome. Yeah, and I'm just very excited to see a lot of the plushie toy. I think that's such a great idea. Just makes sense to having something that's so cuteness and with the IP together, and just very match with your branding as well. And also I'm very excited to see what we can build together. Any final question too for Jason?
No, just enjoy kind of working with you to throw the events, and no doubt it's going to be a great time. So hope to see a lot of people there, and love what you're building with Board Closets. And yeah, I'll have to reach out, and we'll see what maybe we can add in there for the BoredIn Creator House.
Yes, for sure.
Exactly.
And one last thing I want to share is we have more coming for the plushies as well. So we dropping on the weekend on Sunday. We have dropping our other merch drop that is like a shirt and hoodie. Which is a limited edition for Ape Fest, and you can customize it with your own ape. So you can put your own ape on it and have the creations from Board Closet on it, like here with the banana, and you can swap them. So that's gonna be very exciting.
Can I ask you what does the UX look like for people to custom their own ape? Is it like token gated for their ape token, or is it more manual?
Let me show you. So it's we don't really token gate it. I think that I want to plan in the future, but it's not that easy to get token gating with Shopify. So I opt in for the manual side, and I custom coded. Oh wait, that's not what you should see. Let me check. I haven't put it live, so I need to check if the preview is here. don't think I have it online yet. Let me see. Ah, yeah, here it is. So this is how it looks. You input your token ID. I'm not sure if it's working yet. Yeah, it's working. So you input your token ID and you can changes on the preview here, and then you can select the different designs. I have 2 right now. I want to put up to 5 for the hoodies. So there's like 5 set designs from Bored Closet. That is only our own. We don't include any partners because that's also very difficult with all the licensing and so on and usage. So we only have our own creations on it. And yeah, you can then order it and it comes directly to your door. We use it's like print on demand essentially. So it's like very fast in delivery as well. So it would come before Ape Fest. In case you're ordering then on Sunday. And yeah, we have another one that is, for example, on this one, like with the GM on the front, you can customize the text. Like you can put your name on it. You can put different apes on it, your own ape, right, with the different designs. And yeah, that's like how we customize everything. And I think that is something that nobody has done so far in that way, with like the real-time customization options and changing this and so on. So
yeah, I mean it's something that I've been interested in for a long time, but I've yet to see it to build out to this extent. I think in the future this is definitely like the way to go about it, right? People want their own apes on the apparel and stuff. So I think love to see kind of like pushing kind of some of the innovation here.
yeah. And the good thing is like I built like all of the stuff on my own, so I can put it everywhere I want to, essentially.
Yeah.
So it makes it very easy for me to innovate on and just try out different things. So very happy about this coming live actually as well.
I'm really excited for you too. And just like I think like we need to definitely do a more series about fashion. We've been seeing a lot of fashion job, including myself too. So I just want to excited to see more fashion develop. You know, I always love fashion. So thank you so much for today coming. And I'm very hoping to see you soon in AFAS, and I can't wait to see all these plushie toys. And yeah, if you want to support NBA and want to support these 2 amazing tools, please don't forget to check out their websites. And I hopefully see you guys very soon. And next week we'll be continue having our BoredIn Night Space. There will also have some middle break around during the AFAS because our whole team must be very busy by the time. But we will try much as possible to consistency to continue the live space, share any news with everyone. And thanks again to join our space. And thank you, Errol. Thank you, Jason.
Thank you for having me.
Thank you. And I'm going to stop the live space now. Thank you so much and bye-bye.
Bye.